Show us the cutest animals you've ever seen.
No matter how busy I am, I always take her out on weekends.
My little food gremlin, Pernio.
Hello from Kiel. That's right, you derped that ladder.
Leslie is having a relax. Just saved a bunch of Cape Spoff old chicks that fell down a small drain, feeling pretty good today.
Yeah, just might be busy. Okay, let's just try.
Ala.
My boys.
Morning boop tax.
2 years ago today I took this picture of Gracie Shenanigans.
What a great name.
I so love my kitten's little paws.
When you were patiently waiting for treats even though you just devoured your food bowl.
I adopted this baby 2 weeks ago.
Mom, scratch my tummy.
Anyone else's cat prefer to sit like a human.
There's a whole sub dedicated to the /r/cat staying down.
My hamster fell asleep in my hand.
Here's my cat's cat. Question, anybody know what kind of cat she is?
Snake just vibing on a plush blanket.
I came home to a new roommate today.
When my mom asks me to be a good boy and not be naughty, I tell her this.
Her hair was freshly cleaned and dried by me. After 3 hours, I discovered it here.
She really stands out against the dark ground. She knew exactly. Infant not ready to share corn.
Wolf communicating with another pack.
My little popper.
Pretty gosh darn cute. Mom is feeding her kittens.
This poor dog risked it all to be saved by someone.
How my corgi sleeps sometimes.
That belly is too much.
Oh yes, that's the spot.
Somebody's in love.
She's simply the best.
Better than all the rest.
Good kitties. What good kitties. Aww.
Bring back your heat. Pretty much every cat.
There's a pair of glasses on my GS dog. I think you like them.
He looks like a librarian asking for the late fees. Small doggo.
Even rats act as small doggos wag their tails when they are petted. This warms my heart.
Mother and baby's neck.
Flower. This is Billy, she is 22 years old.
You want to sign my cast too?
OMG. What is this adorable bubba with the teeny cast?
Meet my new kitten Momo.
OMG so cute. Trying to catch water.
Me Daisy.
Okay, I love her already.
This little fella out of the pool today.
That guy looks like he's seen some.
Adopted this little girl in early December. I think she likes it here.
I don't know. She looks pretty skittish.
Spring.
This would be adorable if I hadn't seen Midsummer. 2 years ago, a penguin named Beach Donkey was diagnosed with a condition making walking painful. Boston doctors performed surgery and fitted them with custom shoes.
Penguin has better health insurance than me.
Meet Archie the corgi, just a pop, but already part-timing as a forest nymph.
Daycare class picked this as sorcery.
The amount of discipline demonstrated is off the charts.
Please like and subscribe if you made it this far. I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. And have a wonderful day.
My cat crouton pre-sneeze.
She has the puppy eyes down.
Oh.
The doctor is in. Tasty fingers.
I drew Rick's eye as a Disney character, or at least something like that. He's a rescued handicap with 2 working legs and will melt her heart.
This is Leo and this is how he sits.
She tucks her tail over her feet like a little lady.
R/OA has helped raise over $5,000 for St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. We are not done yet. Say hello to my little gizmo.
Didn't click the image at first. Thought you had pet grass.
My girl, excited to go out in the snow.
Had a kangaroo join me on my walk today.
I have no idea.
Cat deep in thought's portrait drawn by me.
Returned to my local aquarium after 10 years and found out this little guy is now a big man.
The instigator.
Watch a £6 meatloaf hypnotise a massive staphystiff.
Our 13-week-old rescue Clyde crawled into a basket and went to sleep. My heart.
I'll leash the beast.
Okay, ready? Okay, whenever you're ready. Hi, Mama! Yay!
He died.
Doug offered their paw and gently held their owner's pet bird. Doug seems very unsure of the next step in the process. Tenderness is needed. This is so cute. It's gonna explode my heart. This look can melt any heart. My recent oil painting of a Reddit user's pup. I hope you enjoy.
That's extremely impressive.
Fluffy kittens.
Source Waggle TV. Husky refuses to let his small human get out of bed for school.
Good, you're good. But you know what? He has to wake up. It's school morning. He's like tracing the source. Oh. You gotta wake up. Come on.
Wholesome made me smile a lot.
When my little boy was only 4 months old.
You're really not supposed to get him wet or feed him after midnight.
My boy Draco.
Beautiful.
Sleepy little baby.
Four years ago today, this dude appeared outside our gate, just a pup. Pretty sure he was ditched. I'm eternally grateful he came to our house. Death. My senior wiener enjoying the warm sun.
Our Cherini soaking up sun for sleeping upright.
Brayer dog is Big Ed.
Big stretch.
She still thinks she's a baby.
My big sausage.
Teeth. Watch till end, you will regret 3.
Давай, давай. Давай, давай, перчатку, достать не могу. Давай, давай, давай. Молодец, молодец. На плечо иди. Скажи «а».
God, I hope he knows Corlo.
Update, he got on and didn't fall. My little popper.
I think I'm in love.
Marley looking regal.
This is our little snuffle pig Spike. I hope you enjoy his smile.
Had a Brazilian surgery performed on my cat.
Your kitty got a booty like pow pow pow.
Please can you close the curtains, it's hard on our eyes.
Press it wall.
Whirly babe.
Absolutely normal cat in a cookout. Bath time.
Caesar the Magnificent.
My favourite co-worker in the art studio. The colours on this cat are beautiful and I love that she is slightly cross-eyed.
Adorable and clumsy baby horse.
Dog offered their paw and gently held their owner's pet bird. Fifth verb.
Keeping the small feet warm, I love Palace's cats.
I use portrait mode on my Corgi puppy.